The next, I'm going to turn it over to Jeff.
Sure. So I've said this in many cases over the last almost 3 years since OpenAI first released ChatGPT in end of November of 2022. But AI might not uh, replace you as a counselor, but someone who's using AI might. And what this particular tool in Dream College has really shown me is AI won't replace us, but counselors using AI will be able to outperform those who don't. So the palpable benefits of leaning into this new technology, leaning into a tool like Dream College in order to enhance the work that we do, enhance the support that we provide to our students, get that work done that we are always so desperately scrambling to complete. This is a tool that is able to bring that together. So in this capacity, it's not a new mantra for me, but try to get ahead of this, be a leader, not a follower in this AI race.